Alright guys, so this is the Vivo Premium Aluminum Heavy Duty Monitor Arm. It's for ultra wide monitors up to 49 inches and 33 pounds. A subscriber actually suggested getting this monitor arm, so shout out to King Yachty with the recommendation. This was definitely needed because it saves so much space on the desk, as we'll see in a little bit. It wasn't that hard setting up the desk mount. Some of the challenges that I actually ran into was holding the display up to mount it myself. This is probably a two-man job, so if you had a second person, this would be a lot easier for you. Before finalizing how I wanted to set up the monitor, I went ahead and did some more cable management using that kit that I had from the last video. I tried to hide as many wires as possible, and now I don't have to use this monitor stand anymore, which was taking up a lot of space on my desk, not gonna lie. It's always a good time to do some cleaning, get some dust off the desk. So I cleaned up all my keyboards and mouses and all that. And here's the new setup. It's looking real clean. Looks like the display is kind of floating. Everything's connected at this one point. And then now all the wires are also hidden. So I feel like I did a lot better job of hiding the wires this time. And we have a very nice and clean look. For my next upgrade, I'm probably gonna get a larger desk. But if you guys have any more recommendations, please feel free to leave them in the comments.